Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today is something really cool and very low price. This is the Horizon Hobby Revolution MT Forge. What it is, it's a very entry level. It's actually more a kid toy version. I would even not call it a hobby grade, even though it is. It's a ready to run RC truck, coming including the remote, battery, charger. It's a 1/12 scale. Let's open it up, show you what there is inside. They're about 80 bucks and they're worth the money. Let's look. Aha, it's upside down. There it is. So you get the car, you get the friendly user manual, not too many pages, is good, don't want to read it anyway. And you have the vehicle. Now let's take the vehicle out. I just want to talk about this before I'm going to show you the remote. So there is a battery and a charger that arrive in the box. It's kind of buried inside of the box over there. The vehicle is really cool. It's kind of like a rear wheel drive. The tires feel very good. They're not the softest rubber that you're gonna get on a higher quality, but they feel pretty good. It's mean that they're gonna be durable. It's pretty nice and springy. Done really nice. I think that it's kind of a good job for something that is kind of a low price entry level. Let's open it up. I want to show what there is underneath, and then we're gonna go to the remote. Okay, when you open it up, this is how it looks. It's very cool. You're going to be able to put different bodies on it. I think that you can put a buggy body and make it into a beautiful traggy. The way that it's open is actually right here. Those two and those two will move out, and you're gonna mess with this a little bit. It's kind of annoying to remove those things. Let's see, is it open all the way? It is. It don't want to come out. Oh, that's it. One of the clips was a little bit too closed. No? Yeah, there it is. So you're gonna open this thing out, and you have the battery. It's a 3-volt battery. It's a 3-volt kind of a lithium battery. It's a 10C discharge battery. You have here a small on-off switch. You have those weird plugs. They're very toyish version, but it's okay for what this thing costs. It's have a 380 motor inside, so it's pretty cool for the price. So all you need to do when you get it, take it out, charger. They give it like a USB charger. Just charge it, plug those two together, turn it on, and you're good to go. Let's leave it off so I'm not gonna forget. Then you plug it in. You set this thing this way. Make sure all the wires are in. Plug it in, and you close those quick release, and the car is ready to go. Okay, so this is one thing about it I don't really like, is the fact that you need to close it and open it. Right now I close it and it's a bit crooked, so I want to see what it's got stuck on. Let's see, let's solve the problem, because you guys are gonna have probably the same issue. I think that this plug is just like too big over there. Let's see, the plug is a little bit big and they're pushing it back out. They should have done like a grip to lift it up. I can probably like 3D print something. Let's see the other way. Is it closing better? It can close both ways, but this way is better. So there's a direction that you have to pay attention. Those slots over here are gonna go to one direction. And they give you the body. It's a pretty cool body. It's come in 2 different colors, just orange, black, and blue. And they have one that it's kind of white, orange, and blue. Let's put the body back on it and put it aside for a second. Now I want to go over on the remote. So this is something very tricky. This is the remote. Something missing here. No steering. You need to put it together. Let's open the box here real quick. On the box you will have your USB charger. Okay, very simple USB charger. I don't see a way to charge it with your quick charger unless you're gonna mess up with the wires and figure something out. They're giving you a couple tools here, and they're giving you batteries for the remote, and they're giving you actually extra gears. When you look here, they're giving you extra gears. I don't even know where those go. I need to look at probably it's the differential gear. And this is your steering. So what you need to do is put this inside, lock it into place, and now you have steering. It's a bad, a good idea. It's bad because people will lose it. It's a good thing because kids, when they break it, they can just put it back in, put it back out, you know, like when you're down playing, or just leave it in. I'm worried that kid's gonna lose this, so I would say that too bad there's no screw that you can just lock it into place. Also, you know, like if you turn it while it's not all the way, it's gonna come out, but it's a cool for kids. This is perfect size. Even for my big hands, this is a good remote. You know, forward, brake, reverse, and you have here the on-off switch, and it's a 2.4, so it's even great. So again, this is the new Ryzen Hobby, the Revolution MT Forge truck. It's not available. Those things about $80 plus minus, depend where you get it. I think it's worth the money, even for people that in the hobby and like the hobby stuff. This is something to just mess out with in your office, when you go outside, just to have it thrown in your truck or car, so when you're ready to play, you can just go and play for a couple of minutes just to relax a bit. Like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can see it. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Those things available in our shop right now in Granada Hills, MotoStyles shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.